Well, that was a fun four-wheel ride. I'm Admiral Nerf Gun and welcome to my show.
I'm Boo-Boo. I'm going fishing.
Going fishing.
Going fishing down to the pond. I'm Boo-Boo. I'm going fishing. Going fishing. Hoo-hoo.
You don't want to be around here when Zeus comes around. What? Why? How do you think all these dogs are happy that he takes a woman and marries them? It's puppy
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Ah! Did you just kick Boo-Boo?
Yeah.
It's the mystery Nerf bullet. Do 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 do. Ah! So what do you want me to do? You want me to just walk over and go fishing? What if I catch a big old fish or something? Don't worry about it, Boo-Boo. Just work with us here. We're making a video. Oh, okay, but I gotta put my makeup on. I gotta put my makeup on and look good for Hollywood, you know. Maybe just wait for something to bite. Do I look good on camera? Do I need makeup? You're good. I'm Boo-Boo. I'm going fishing. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I'm Boo-Boo and I'm fishing. I'm fishing in a frozen pond down in Tennessee. I'm fishing. I'm Boo-Boo do 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 do. Whoa, whoa! I think I got something. Ah, I think I got something.